Om Shakti. Today, as we enter Navaratri Day 2, we honor Brahmacharini, the goddess of devotion and penance. She walks barefoot, holding a rosary in her right hand and a water pot in her left, symbolizing simplicity, focus, and steadfastness. Her blessings help us stay patient, disciplined, and joyful in our actions. In this episode, we will learn shlokas 10 and 11, explore their meanings, and enjoy a fun, kid friendly story inspired by the shlokas themselves. Hey Vishnu!
Hey Amma.
Today I'll tell you the story of shlokas 10 and 11. Are you ready to listen?
Yeah.
Okay. Her feet wear tiny bells that ring when she dances.
How?
Tingling, tingling. The tinkling sound is so sweet that even the gods start singing with her.
Tinkling sound is so sweet.
Yeah. Flowers fall from the sky in happiness.
See here.
Oh, the whole universe feels like a big festival. Next story.
Yeah.
Durga's face shines calmly like a moon on the quiet night.
On the quiet night?
Yeah.
On the night?
Yeah, moon comes when?
Night.
Yeah. Flowers float down into her feet, making a carpet of petals.
Petals?
Petals, flower petals. Even bees buzz near her eyes, thinking they have found blossoms. Everyone gazes at her beauty with peace in their hearts.
See here.
Yeah.
What he's wearing, see.
Okay. Do you want to say the shlokas related to these stories?
Yeah.
Jaya Jaya Japya
Jaya Jaya Japya.
Jaye Jaya Shabda
Jaya Jaya Shabya.
Parastuti Tatpara Parastuti
Parastuti
Tatpara
Tatpara
Vishwanute
Vishwanute
Jhana Jhana Jinjimi
Jana Jana Jinjimi
Jinkrita Nupura
Jinkrita Zumuna
Shinchita Mohita
Sinsrita Modina
Bhutapate
Bhutapate
Natita Natartha
Natita Natata
Nati Natanayaka
Nati Natayata
Nataka
Nataka
Natya
Natya
Suganarate
Suganyanate
Jaya Jaya He
Jaya Jaya Jaya
Mahishasura
Mahishasura Partini Ramyaka Partini Jailas Te
Good job. Sumana Sumana
Hai Sumana Sumana
Sumana Sumana
Sumana Sumana
Sumanohara
Sumanohara
Kantiyute
Kantiyute
Shritarajani
Sultana Rajani
Rajani Rajani
Rajani Rajani
Rajani Rajani
Rajani Rajani
Kara
Kara
Vatravrite
Vatravritre
Sunayana Vibrama
Sunayana Vribrama
Rabrama Rabrama
Rabrama Rabrama
Rabrama Rabrama
Rabrama Rabrama
Brahmaradipate
Brahmaradipate
Jaya Jaya He
Jaya 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 Mahishasura Mardini Ramyaka Partini Shailasute.
Very good. Now let's go into the line by line meaning of today's shlokas. Jaya Jaya Japya Jaye Jaya Shapda Shabdaparasthuti Tatparavishwanute. Victory to the goddess who is always ready to accept loving praises and bless all beings. Jana jana jinjimi jinkrita nupura sinchita mohita bhutapate. Her anklets jingle, jana jana, captivating everyone around, even the tiny forest creatures. Natita natarta nati natanayaka nataka natita natyarate. She is the leader of graceful dances and songs, enchanting the world with every move. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardhini Ramyakapartini Shailasute. Victory to you, O Mahishasuramardhini, O radiant daughter of the mountain. Let's chant this verse twice together, once flowing and once slowly, so that it stays in our hearts. Jaya Jaya Japya Jaye Jaya Shabda Parastuti Tatpara Vishwanute. Jana Jana Jinjimi Jinkrita Nupura Sinchita Mohita Bhutapate. Natita natarta nati natanayaka nataka natita natyarate. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardhini Ramyakapartini Shailasute. Jaya Jaya Japya Jaye Jaya Shabda Parastuti Paravishwanute. Jana Jana Jinjimi Jinkrita Nupura Sinchita Mohita Bhutapate. Natita natarta nati nata nayaka nataka natita natyarate. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardhini Ramyakapartini Shailasute. Now let's go to the 11th verse. Ai Sumana 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 Sumanohara Kantiyute. O lovely goddess, shining like a beautiful flower, filling the world with light. Shrita Rajani 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 Karavaktravrite. Her face glows like the moon at night, calm and gentle, making everyone happy. Sunayana Vibramara Brahmara 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 Brahmaradipate. Her eyes move like playful bees, charming all who look at her. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardhini Ramyakapartini Shailasute. Victory to you, O Mahishasuramardhini, O shining daughter of the mountain. Let's chant this verse twice, first joyfully, then slowly, letting every syllable fill our hearts. Ai Sumana 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 Sumanohara Kantiyute. Shrita Rajani 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 Karavaktravrite. Sunayana Vibramara Brahmara 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 Brahmaradipate. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardhini Ramyakapartini Shailasute. Beautiful. Ai Sumana 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 सुमनोहरकान्तियुते श्रितरजनी रजनी 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 करवक्त्रवृते सुनयन विभ्रमर भ्रमर 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 भ्रमराधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Now that we've chanted verses 10 and 11, let's gently walk back and revisit the shlokas 1 to 7, which is there in the link, and then come back and chant from 8th shloka to 11th shloka today. Each verse celebrates Devi's courage, grace, and joyous energy. Chant along and feel her blessings flow. धनुरनु संगरणक्षण संग परिस्फुरदंग नटत्कटके कनकपिशंग पृषत्कनिशंगरसद्भटशृंग हटाबटुके कृतचतुरंग बलक्षितिरंग घटत् बहुरंग रटत् बटुके जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरललना तततेयि ततेयि कृता विनयोदरनृत्यरते कृतकुकुतः कुकुतो गडदादिकतालकुतूहल गानरते धुधुकुट धुक्कुट धिम धिमितध्वनि धीरमृदंग निनादरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय जप्य जये जय शब्दपरस्तुति तत्पर विश्वनुते झण झण झिञ्झिमि झिङ्कृतनूपुर सिञ्चित मोहित भूतपते नटित नटार्थ नटी नटनायक नाटक नाटित नाट्यरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ सुमन 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 सुमनोहरकान्तियुते श्रितरजनी रजनी 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 करवक्त्रवृते सुनयन विभ्रमर भ्रमर 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 भ्रमराधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. On this second day of Navaratri, may Brahmacharini bless you with patience, discipline and devotion. May your steps move with rhythm and joy like Devi's anklets. Your heart shine with light like her eyes, and your life be filled with laughter, courage, and playful energy. Like, share, and subscribe to spread Devi's blessings to everyone. Om Shakti.